been on my mind all freaking night and day. And I finally figured out, I don't know how in the hell could I possibly get that wrong when I done watched hours and hours of footage on how to wire up LS swap. The coil wire. This should be constant power if I'm not mistaken. This don't work. I'm gonna run it all the way. I'm gonna just run it back into the car, inside the car, to the ignition. This is part of the ignition. When I look up the the diagram, oh shit, damn trip. Okay, well anyway, this is part of the ignition right here. I'm gonna run this over here. Turn some light on. This is part of the ignition. Now let me see. Okay, YouTube, this is the coil wire. I'm gonna connect this to the PCM and see if it works. I'm almost positive that it will. All right, y'all. I ain't gonna tap into it. I'm gonna just use one of these, like I did before, and connect the wires like that. I can't hold the phone, do that at the same time, but I'm gonna start it up for y'all. Okay, y'all, I just tied up the coil wire, ignition wire, and fuel pump wire. I'm gonna make it look a lot better than that. This is just to test and try to get it started. See if it'll start. Hopefully them wires up underneath is out the way of that crank. I mean that flywheel. Let me start it, y'all, and see if it'll fire up. Cross my fingers. Oh, I gotta tighten up that purple wire too. It's cold out here, man. Woo. Let's see. I'll stay right here. Ooh, y'all hear that? All right. Y'all heard that? It's starting, but it ain't still started. So we gotta go back. I don't know if I gotta have the pedal plugged up or what. The pedal ain't plugged up. Oh, and I ain't got the mass airflow sensor plugged up. So maybe it ain't getting no gas. I don't know. No more gas leaking. A little something right there. No big leak. Okay. It tried to fire up, but didn't stay fired up. I'm gonna go get that sensor back there. It goes back there. I'm gonna get that from the junkyard. We're gonna go from there. We almost there, y'all. I'm out.
Banks on the track.